Now they want to play. You want? Sunshine want to play. Sunshine. Okay, okay. Okay. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the time where we play in the evening. I will show you my children how they are playing. They are so naughty. Okay. You know, get down. When your dogs are not well, they need pamper. You should always pamper, okay? Otherwise, they are just like human. They are very sensitive. He has hips pain, okay? I have to pamper him all the time. But they jealous each other, you know. They jealous very much each other. Okay, go play. See, they all are playing. This is the time to play. Okay, I love you all. One will do yoga. Come. Push up. 1, 2. See, they are very naughty. Dishum. Okay, sit down now. Sit down. Good boy. Give your hand. Sit down. Teddy, sit down. Sit down. No musty. Okay. Hey, don't. Sit down. Sit down, Bolana. Soccer, okay. Soccer is a good boy. And Sunshine, both are father and daughter. See, Sunshine. This is how we play in the evening. Kya hai, Paru? Come here. Okay, all of them want to play. Okay, sit down. Grass is very good to play for dog, and let them eat at least once in a week. They should eat this green grass. It's good for their stomach. Okay, sit down now. Sit everyone now. Sit down. Do like this. We will do yoga. Hey, come here. Bravo, come here. Bravo. Sit down. Tofi, sit down. Okay, good. Soccer, what is this, boy? Sit down. Sit everyone down. Okay. Sit, I will tell you story. I'm telling them story. They say they want to listen story. What story? अच्छा ठीक है. कौन सी story? Hey, come here. Come down. Sunshine, sit down. Sunshine. Okay, good. Story. Hey, come here. Story, I'll tell you story. There are beautiful dogs, 23 dogs. क्या है पागल है कौन है? Don't jump. Why are you jumping? Sit down. Okay. Now sit down. Hey, boxer. Sit down now. Okay, sit. Teddy, sit down. Good girl. She is listening to me. Teddy, sit down. Boxer, sit down. So sit down, boxer. Sit down, boxer. Boxer, sit down. Good boy. Sit down. He's a fighter. Good boy. He is very obedient. Sit down, down dog. Give hand, hello, give hand. Now we will play badminton. Go there. तुम लोग नहीं आता है ना? Go. Charlie को आता है. Charlie. Go there, go. Charlie, go. Charlie know how to play. बाकी तुम लोग को नहीं आता है. Charlie, bring. Charlie, come, bring. Charlie, come, give. Charlie, give. Charlie, give me. Good girl. Hey, don't bite this, Rakesh. 1, 2. Charlie, take. Give me. Thank you. Good boy. Charlie, catch. Charlie. Emmy. Now Charlie will catch. Very naughty. San, come play. One. Amy, take Amy. Oh, Amy. Oh, give Amy. Okay. Give this. Amy, give. Amy, give. Good girl. Amy, you don't know how to play. Charlie know how to play. If you don't know how to play,